Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a slime video. Basically, I'm going to be making slime today because I'm very bored. This is my second YouTube video. I wasn't in the last one, but basically, I'm making slime today, and yeah. I'm just gonna make a slime today, and make sure you go follow me on Instagram. It's slime_ASMR 12398 with no spaces, just that one underscore, and it's all lowercase. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. I might actually give shout outs too, even though I'm not. I need to, please follow, please subscribe to my channel. This is a new thing I'm doing. So basically, I'm going to make a thick slime. So I'm using Elmer's glue. I don't know if you can see that well. And I'm going to use some Glue All. Glue All is the thicker one. And then I have a mixing tool bowl. If you want to, you can use this as a tutorial if you want. I'm using this lotion right here. This one's just from Walmart. And then I have some glycerin. It's thick. And then I have this food coloring. And then I have activator in this bottle. So yeah, I'm gonna start. So first I'm gonna pour a little bit of this in here. And I'm not gonna pour that much. Because I want it to be a thick slime, not that much of a thin slime, so that's why I'm only adding a little bit of Elmer's glue. I'm gonna add a lot. This one, probably way more, but that was a lot. Okay, that was good. As you can see, this one's actually whiter too. Now I'm gonna mix this together since they have to they have to combine fully. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Which is a lot more. I don't need to add that much more, but that's okay. Just gonna have a big slime. I'm gonna always buy more Glue All. Okay, next I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna mix that too. It's not really a lot to mix. Now I'm gonna add some lotion. 3 squirts. That's all I add. I mean, you can add more. It depends what you want to do. Or you can just watch this video. And it's not like you have to make a slime with me. And y'all know that. Now, next I'm gonna add some glycerin. Don't add too much of this because if you add too much of it, it can completely ruin your slime. It can. And it also thickens it up, but it can also melt it. So that's why it can completely ruin your slime because I did add too much once. I'm gonna add a little bit more since this is a bigger slime. And like my usual, add 2 more drops. Next, I'm going to add, I have this food coloring, it's the Maddie Gray one. This is called Royal Blue. And it's a really pretty color. I'm gonna start off with 1 drop, but I'm probably gonna add more. I don't know, I might not. See, this blue is really pretty. Actually, I have a light blue slime like this. So I'm probably gonna add more blue, just a little bit more. It kind of looks like cotton candy. I have a bunch of this ones like this actually, but I'm gonna add 2 more drops. 1, 2. Okay. Oh my gosh. This tripod is not a good tripod though. I don't recommend this, but I know y'all don't even know what kind of tripod it is. So I'm sorry if my phone moves a lot because this tripod is not worth it. And I would oh my god, that was a close one. I don't want anyone to see me. It needs to stay. Come on, you can stay. But I also want y'all to see. So it's very wobbly too. If it falls, it doesn't matter because my phone's gonna break. Yeah, sorry I'm like being nervous. I don't want it to fall. Okay, I might add more. Honestly, it's still a very light blue. I'm gonna add another drop. It's like close to the blue I want it to be, but I still want it to be a little bit dark. This might be a little bit of a long video, really dark. Okay, there we go. That's perfect. This is the perfect blue. This is the blue I want. And it's like a really pretty sky blue color too. Okay, now I'm going to put some activator and start activating and then mixing it. And then I'll start kneading it. So I'm trying to mix it slowly right here because I don't want to overactivate it or like make the activator slash everywhere, especially because I'm right by my bed. Because I usually never mix them right here. And by the way, my name is Cassie. So yeah. And I know my last name's weird. It's Peppa. Okay, last name. My name's not actually Karen. I just put it there because I'm not gonna like start off with my real name. Yeah, but my name is Cassie Peppa. Basically, weird last name. And I actually do like Peppa Pig. Fun fact. Okay, I'm gonna start naming it obviously because you can tell it's like getting very lumpy. And I think the glues are like just trying to like make something together or mix together. That like, okay, you might want to fast forward this part if you get grossed out with this kind of stuff. I mean, personally I don't, but I mean some people do. I watch horror movies too though, and they're like bloody and gory and they like have weird noises like this and it's so. And like, so none of this like type of stuff grosses me out. And don't come like hate on me because like there's no point of it. And just like if you don't like me, then don't watch me. But I don't feel like some people do that. Honestly. I don't get why there's hate is even a thing. I mean, I'm probably not even gonna get a like on this, but that's all I'm asking for is one like. Cause this is a new channel. I had a channel, but it got deleted, so. Well, it didn't get deleted, I deleted it, basically, but this is like really pretty. And the only reason I could see like where I'm supposed to play with it at is because there's a mirror in front of me. It's kind of like, I kind of over deactivated it then. That's my problem. But it's not that, it's like starting to like get stretchier. And I can add some glycerin to melt it down. It thickens up like over days too. I'm gonna clean up that after. It is super pretty though. Like, let's see this. I actually have a thick slime like this exact same color, but it's like getting kind of old now. And it kind of smells weird. This one doesn't smell, it just smells like glue. I should scent it, but I don't want to scent it. I'm gonna add some more, I'm gonna add glycerin so I can kind of like melt it down. It also, like if you're making it, if you're mixing it when you're making the slime, it'll thicken it up. But if you're like, if it needed to underactivate a slime, then, or like kind of deactivate a slime, then you need to add it in after. You see I don't add lotion because sometimes it feels weird, personally to me. And you see how it's getting stretchier already? You still don't want to add too much glycerin after you are done. I mean, you do you, but that's not a good idea. This bowl looks really dirty. Trust me, it's not. I have dreaded slime in it. It looks like it has like nasty stuff all over it, but it's really not. It's just dreaded slime. Okay, I hope I didn't add too much just now, because I just added a lot. See how it's melting it? Like you can see it, it's like forming back into a blob, kind of. See, this is like, there, that's better. It's like way better now. But it's kind of like not as, I mean, it thickens up. Like glue off slimes, they thicken up over time. You have to kind of let them sit for a few days.